Before B2Ys, we were replenishing between sort of 5 and 10 stores a day. Now we're capable of doing up to 60. I'm Simon Shutt, Merchandising Director at Weirdfish. We're a multi-channel retailer, deal with direct-to-consumer through websites, stores, concessions and also wholesale customers. I really wanted to get buy-in to DDMRP and B2Ys from the wider business, not just the merchandising team who are very deeply involved with the system and the process. Really for particularly stores to understand what the system was doing and how to ask the right questions and challenge the right things. I engaged the other directors to make sure that they wanted their teams to be involved, and it happened. I think we're quite a young dynamic team in terms of wanting to learn, wanting to be involved, and they all want to have a say. So this was their chance to learn a little bit, so when they are having their say, they understand what they're talking about. The workshop was really well received by the whole of the team, so whether it was an introduction and didn't really know anything about DDMRP to the guys that are using it every day, I think it delivered on all levels and kept things real and realistic in terms of calculations, how to work, and drove the level of understanding to a really good level for everyone. Before B2Ys, we were replenishing between sort of 5 and 10 stores a day. Now we're capable of doing up to 60, and it's really allowing us to get to the point where we can reduce stock levels in store and feed the stock out as required, so improved availability and reduced workload within the merchandising team. I'd absolutely recommend B2Ys and DDBrix to anyone thinking about DDMRP, or even just wanting to get an understanding of what DDMRP does. I think it's a very practical, elegant solution to many problems we face.